The Ijaw Youth Congress Kalabari Seibangi for Rivers State don't call on the Rivers State government to stop sea piracy for the waters of the 3 local government areas. Chairman of Ijaw Youth Congress of the area, Asikitan Edwards, make this call for one talk meeting with 3 people for Port Harcourt. Edward Contalk said the things with these sea pirates they do for the area not good, and if government no agree do wetin dem suppose do, them go take the laws into their hands. He come also tell the government say make them remove body from the plans wey dem dey hear say government wan remove Asari the Kubo security outfit from the Emowa Kalabari road.
The IYC Kalabari Sekwange condemn the activities of sea pirates in our waterways, creeks and rivers. We therefore call on the governments and security agencies to wade into this issue in order to curb this ugly menace. May we state unequivocally that we shall take all necessary steps to protect our people if the government fails to act. We condemn the clamor for the removal of Alhaji Mujahid Dokubo Asare, Alabwe Diabali-led security outfit from the Emowa Kalabari Road by the Rivers State government. All contractors handling projects in Kalabari land and its environs should with immediate alacrity complete such projects within the time frame given. Forthwith, no abandonment of any projects in whatever guise will be condoned. All awardees contracts in Kalabari land should ensure strict compliance with the Petroleum Industry Act and local content laws applicable to the areas of specialization.
Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we talk am. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter, Ojasili, TMC TV News.